How to fix Instagram missing sticker problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram missing sticker problem. So guys, if you are not finding your sticker on Instagram, any feature on Instagram, then what you have to do is go to your, first of all, what you have to do is first check your internet connection, whether it is on or not. Check your internet connection here, and then secondly, what you have to do is go to your settings, go to your phone settings, and then scroll down and go to app management or install apps. Here is it. I will go to app management and then search for Instagram. Here is it. Click on Instagram, and then what you have to do is just you have to click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force here. Now you can see here storage uses. Just click to storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. Now what you have to do is, you can see here permissions. Just click to permissions, and you have to allow all the permission here. Yes, I have already allowed it. You also have to allow this permission. Now go back, and then the final touch is, what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store. Where is it? Go to your Google Play Store, and then you have to search for Instagram. So after searching the Instagram, you can see here they are asking for an update. So what you have to do is, you have to update your Instagram here, and then you have to click on the icon here. Now you can see here they are asking for an update. You can update it. After updating, what you have to do is scroll down, and you can see here you are a beta tester. So what you have to do is, you have to join the beta tester. So I have already joined the beta tester. You will find an option here in leave. You can see here leave option. So I will leave once. So you can see a rejoin. So you'll, if you are a new to this, then you will find a join option. So just join this. Go back, restart your phone, and reopen your Instagram apps. The problem will solve. 100% the problem will solve. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then let us check if the problem works or not. Just click on picture, and then let's go to sticker icon. So it is showing, every picture is showing here, every sticker is showing here. So now what you have to do is, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is, I will show you what you have to do. The main functioning for this, what you have to do is, go to your Google Play Store, and then search for stiker VPN. You can see here, just type this and search for this. Now you can see here stiker VPN. So you have to download this icon. You can see here you have to download the same, and then after downloading, I have already downloaded. After downloading, what you have to do is open this, and then you have to connect with this. Wait for a second. Advertised. So what you have to do is, just you can see a connect option. Just connect it, and it has been connected. So now go back, and then open your Instagram, refresh it or restart it, and then let's go to the camera. Just click on picture and go to sticker. It will come. 110% your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.